In the previous video, we have seen about drug regulatory agencies in India, its composition and how they are going to function. So in this video, let us see about drug regulatory agencies in USA. So here the main agency is the US FDA, United States Food and Drug Administrative. The Food and Drug Administration National Institute of Health Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Department of Health and Human Services, FedWorld, US Government Information National Centers for Complementary and Alternative Medicine, National Centers for Infectious Diseases, that is NCID, National Library of Medicine, National Science Foundation, Office of Disease Prevention. So these are different agencies which can be observed in USA. They work in order to safeguard the health aspect of the patients. So now coming towards the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration. So these are agencies within the US Department of Health and Human Services. It consists of 6 product centers, 1 research center and 2 offices. FDA responsibility extend to the 50 United States, the District of Columbia, Puerto, Virgin Islands, American Samoa and other US territories and positions. Food and Drug Administration 10903, New Hemisphere, Ave, Silver Spring, MD 20993 20002. So these are the territories where FDA is working. The Food and Drug Modernization Act states that the FDA has 4 roles. The first role is to promote health by reviewing research and approving new products. The same responsibility in other regulatory of different countries also we may come across. So they are going to review before giving permission to the new product. And also they ensure food and drug are safe and properly labeled. Label aspect they are going to check. To work with other nations to reduce the burden of regulation, collaborative practices they possess. To cooperate with scientific experts and consumers to effectively carry out these obligations. The FDA is led by the Commissioner of Food and Drugs, who is appointed by the President and confirmed by the Senate. So this FDA is responsible for protecting the public health by assuring that the food are safe, wholesome, sanitary and properly labeled. Because the person as well as the government will spend money for the health aspect, so that it should safeguard such things. So the assurance will be given, suppose FDA approval is got and even FDA is monitoring it. Assuming human and all veterinary drugs and vaccines and other biological product and medical devices intended for human use are safe and effective, protecting the public from electronic product radiation, also assuring cosmetic and dietary supplements are safe and properly labeled. These are overall responsibilities of FDA. Even FDA play a role in regulating tobacco products, even advancing the public health by helping to speed product innovations, also helping the public to get the accurate science-based information they need to use medicine, devices and foods to improve their health initiation of a recall. Even includes voluntary, FDA requested and also FDA mandated. This FDA is responsible for protecting the public by assuring the safe effectiveness and security of human and veterinary drugs, when vaccines and other biological product, medical devices, nation's food supply, cosmetics, dietary supplements and products give off radiation. With the help of this, even public health wellness will be maintained by the FDA, not only with the drug and related with the other aspects what we have enlisted over here. Even regulating tobacco product, advancing the public health by helping to speed product innovation, helping the public to get accurate science-based information they need to use medicine and food to improve their health. This already we have seen, like this may be one of the responsibilities. So this all about the US FDA. Now let us move on to the European guidelines, where drug regulatory agencies in Europe, which is called as EMA. EMA is an European agencies for the evaluation of medical product. EMA was set up in 1995. From 1995 to 2004, EMA was known as European Agencies for Evaluation of Medical Product. The European Medicine Agencies is a decentralized body of the European Union, which is located in London. Then coming towards the mission of this EMA, to foster scientific excellence in evaluation and supervision of the medicine. This all agencies' missions, if you observe, it resembles the same, because main background is to have the scientific evidence and so have a supervision or vigilance towards the medicine. Let us see about the activities of this EMA, which provides independent science-based recommendation on quality, safety and efficacy of the medicine. Even applies efficient and transparent evaluation procedure to help bring a new medicine to the market. It implements measures for continuously supervising the quality, safety and efficacy of authorized medication. Also provides scientific advice to stimulate the development and improve the availability of the innovative new medicine, because periodic updations will be carried out. Recommended safe limits for reduce of veterinary medicines, especially residues of such things used in food producing animals. One publishes impartial and comprehensible information about the medicine it uses. It develops best practice for medicine evaluation, even supervision in Europe and also in the international level. So this is achieved by collaborative work with the other countries. European Directorate for the Quality of Medicine and Healthcare, the EDQM, Council of Europe, is a key European organization which is involved in harmonization and coordination of standardization, regulation and quality control of medicine, and also with the blood transfusion, organ transplantation, pharmaceuticals and pharmaceutical care. In 1996, the European Directorate for the Quality of Medicine is created. The EMAs and European agencies, which is having its headquarters in London, the main mission is to foster scientific excellence in evaluating and supervision of the medicine. Office of Executive Director, Legal Service Senior Medical Officer and International Audit Information and Communicate ION, Veterinary Medicine and Product Data Management, Patient Protection and Human Medicine Development and Evaluation. So these are some of the missions and what are the responsibility they possess. And last bit is the drug regulatory agencies in Japan, which is called as MHLW, the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare, MHLW, which is established by merger of the Ministry of Health and Welfare and Ministry of Labor on 6/2001, because here we can observe many of the labor related rules also which got combined with the regulations here, because it's jointly maintained by two authorities. The MHLW, which was originally established in 1930s, has been in charge of the improvement and promotion of social welfare, social security and public health. It's also concerned with the security purpose along with the health. And the new organization has the same task. It's continued. It consists of ministry proper and affiliated institution, councils, local branches and other external organizations. This MHLW, Social Insurance Agency Ministry, Proper Ministers Secretariat, Health Policy Bureau. So it's having lot of other responsibilities also, and other bureaus like Health Service Bureau, PFSB, Social Welfare and War Victim Relief, Burden Health and Welfare, Bureau for Elder Equal Employment, Children and Family Bureau, Insurance Bureau, and also we have Pension Bureau, Directorate General for Policy Planning and Service for Person with Disabilities, because this is a joint venture between two authorities. So the main purpose of this is to produce social security. It's in terms of economical, it may be pension system that will ensure income in the elderly age, long term insurance to be provided, nursing care, service to the public assistance system, that which produce some of the minimum guaranteed standards for the public, thereby social security will be achieved. And coming towards the other functions of MHLW, like public hygiene, they maintains appropriate medical services for diseases and injuries, ensuring the safetiness of the food, water and medical supplies, research into health science in order to make technological advances, maternal and child health, job security, like promotion of employment of elderly people, employment of person with disabilities, management of employment insurance system, and other functions which may include human resource development, promotion of human resources development that may react to change in the industrial systems. It also encourage the worker skills development under their own initiative, development of skilled human resources that may support industrial progress also. This is a joint organization which not only maintains the drug safety, it's also talking about other aspects also. So these are all the different regulatory systems we can observe in different parts of the world.